Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to completely remove Avast Free Antivirus from your computer. First, you can make it like this. Open Control Panel, then open Programs and Features, find Avast Free Antivirus, then click Uninstall. But using this method, not always uninstall Avast Free Antivirus completely. Another way is to download Avast and install utility from the official website. Link will be given in the video description. Once you have downloaded this tool, run it. Click yes, yes, and it will find all the Avast products on your computer, restart your PC, and clear all your PC, or Windows 10, Windows 8 or Windows 7 or whatever, from Avast products. That's it. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye.